Hello, everybody. Today we are going to see the self-custodial gambling and how we are changing, literally shaping an industry using the blockchain. I am Enrico Giancaterina, and this is CoinGames.fun. For the next 10 minutes, we are going to learn how to increase the conversion rate by more than 308% using blockchain, why the actual crypto casino are not Web3 platform, how to transform your application in a real Web3 platform, and how works the first decentralized crypto casino. Starting from the last point, why the casino is decentralized. It's decentralized because it's possible to play without deposit crypto inside the casino. I know that usually the face when I say this of the people in front of me is like this one. But let's see why we decide to do something like this with the blockchain technology. Because the scenario actually is made from company that had time-consuming registration process. The post-registration engagement is declining after there's someone registering to the platform. The transparency and trust issues, and they have problems in explaining the real value proposition because the competition in this industry is really hard, and usually the competition is based on bonuses and free spin. The iGaming market obviously is really big. It's more than $9 trillion in 2022, and you have to imagine that only 10% is online worldwide. Is growing 25% year by year, and is global, thanks to also now the new economy that are starting asking for this kind of services. Why crypto? In the last 2 years, the operator with the highest growing rate were crypto operators. And if we compare their growing rate, these are an example of the bigger three, with classic operators like William Hill and Betfair that was on the market since the beginning, the difference is crazy, but not only in terms of growing rate, but also in terms of absolute number. This is the monthly visit per month, and they already overpassed the classical operators. It's evident that the industry is growing in this way. But they are using a new technology with an old mindset. Here we see our opportunity. Why we say this? Because they are still asking two people to deposit crypto inside with long registration form, long waiting time, and also high commission and slow transaction, because usually the payment gateway are not so efficient. This is not Web3. This is still Web2 from applications that are just using payment gateway. How we solved it? We made a technology that allows users to gamble from a non-custodial wallet, just interacting with the smart contract, that is trustless because it's the smart contract that handles the whole game session between the provider and the player, and is efficient because thanks to our layer 2 on Binance and Polygon, and soon on Ethereum, we optimize the transaction cost and also the speed of the transaction. The advantages of these are instant gameplay, reducing in acquisition cost, but what is more important is in changing retention rate and the average revenue per users. Why we are so sure about these advantages? Because we did the test. We did a test by ourselves, launching first 1 year ago now, a centralized version of our casino, studying the KPI, and after 6 months we switched with our solution, and what we've seen is incredible. Basically, the value of the users after that we switch with our solution is 160% higher than the old version. The retention of the users is more than 160% higher, and the conversion rate is 388% higher than the older version of the casino, using the same strategy in terms of acquisition, budget, and so on. This is some of our numbers. Of the last 6 months, we already have 3.4 million in bet amount, 3.2 million in winning amount, and even more than 600K in deposit amount in less than 6 months since we launched this solution. If we compare our solution with our competitor, we are for sure the best in terms of speed of transaction and in terms of decentralization. So what's now? Now we are launching our own token. That was something that was missing to our casino, that will be the native currencies for the sportsbook and the casino platform, the native currency for the lotteries, and is also an opportunity for investment because can be staked into the casino and can give more advantages to the users that decide to use this currency to play inside the casino. Why? Because we are going to share our success with our community, buy back and burn the token with pre-scheduled event. This to maintain also high the price of our token. How we are going to distribute this token, more or less 45% in ICO, 14% for the liquidity of the casino, 12% for the team, 10% for marketing, 6% for treasury, and 2% for advisory. What we want to do with this money is improving the security of our chain and also make the system available on multiple chains without using bridge, and scaling the market that we know are worth it for our solution, and we know where we can do the difference in terms of cost per acquisition and return of the investment. 11% is dedicated to the airdrop. The users that will have the airdrop are the early adopters, the Quest participants, and also the NFT holders. Yes, we are launching also an NFT collection. I cannot say where, but we'll launch in one of the biggest marketplace for NFT actually live. And what about the team? On the team there is me. I was a startup that launched 2 startups in 56 countries, always around gambling industries. Michele has 10 years of experience in gambling. He was working for Entain, and he launched Party Casino in Canada. Fabio is our CTO with more than 10 years of experiences in developing, and he started developing in blockchain in 2016, so he saw a lot of trouble. And Edoardo is our main sponsor, our president. Is a serial Italian entrepreneur with a lot of success on his shoulder, like TechAge, Meshpro Group. He is also consultant for Italian Ministry of Finance. The team is complete because we have marketer, developers, community manager, divided between our subsidiary in London, where we have the main holding, Rome, Belgrade, and now we are opening also in Ras Al Khaimah in a new digital asset area. The news of the day is that the private sale is open now. If you scan this QR code, you will access to all the detail about our company, white paper, and you will have also the chance to whitelist the addresses of your wallet if you want to participate to the pre-sale. If you want to know more about our company and also about the private sale that we are organizing, we have the booth exactly in front of here where you can meet me, Michele, and Edoardo, that we are happy to answer to your question. Thank you.